If I had to start a faceless AI channel today, with no audience, no money, and no experience, this is the exact step-by-step plan I would follow. By the end of this video, you will have a clear 30-day roadmap you can actually start tonight. Most people think you need to be on camera, full of confidence, and some kind of expert to grow online. You do not. The faceless approach quietly removes the single biggest thing that stops people before they ever begin. Because the real reason most people never start is simple. They are scared of being seen, judged, or laughed at. Faceless content erases that fear completely. Your voice and your value do the work, not your face. So let us define it clearly. A faceless channel is just three things working together: a useful message, a clear voice, and simple moving visuals. No studio, no fancy camera, and absolutely no permission required. And there has never been a better moment than right now. The tools are free and good enough. The audience is hungry for clear answers, and most people are still standing on the sidelines waiting to feel ready. Here is the mindset shift that changes everything. You are not chasing fame. You are building an asset. A single good video can quietly work for you for months or even years, long after you hit upload. So here is my promise. Follow the steps in this video and you will walk away with a simple 30-day plan to launch. No theory, no fluff, just the path. Let us build it together, starting with the foundation. Step 1 is choosing your lane. The biggest beginner mistake is trying to talk to everyone about everything. When you speak to everyone, you connect with no one. A clear niche is what makes a small channel grow fast. Here is a simple way to find yours. Look for the overlap between three things: what you genuinely find interesting, what people are already searching for, and what could eventually sell a product or service. Some proven beginner niches are AI and income, personal finance, productivity, self-improvement, and simple tech tips. They have huge demand, endless content ideas, and audiences that are happy to buy helpful products. Before you commit, validate it in 2 minutes. Search your topic on YouTube. Are videos getting real views? Do products and guides already exist in that space? If yes, that is not competition. That is proof of demand. And please do not overthink this part. Pick a lane you could happily talk about across 50 videos. You are not signing a contract. You can always refine your angle later once you see what your audience responds to. One last tip: narrow your angle. Not just fitness, but home workouts for busy parents. Not just AI, but AI income for total beginners. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the right people to find you. Step 2 is your production system. This is where most people quit because they imagine it is complicated. It is not. Every single faceless video follows the same simple 4-step assembly line, again and again. Step 1 of the line is the script. Let AI write your first draft in seconds, so you never face a blank page. Then you add the human touch, your judgment, your story, and one strong hook at the very start. And that hook matters more than anything. The first 3 seconds decide whether someone stays or scrolls away. Promise a clear benefit or spark instant curiosity. Never open with a slow, polite introduction. Step 2 is voice. An AI voiceover turns your script into clean, natural audio in minutes. No microphone, no recording your own voice, and no showing your face. You simply paste the text and let it speak. Step 3 is visuals. Match free stock footage to what your voice is saying. Keep it moving. Motion holds attention far better than static slides, and it instantly makes your video feel professional and alive. Step 4 is captions. Most people watch with the sound off, especially on their phones. Bold, moving captions keep those silent viewers locked in. This step is not optional. It is one of your biggest retention tools. Notice the real secret here. It is not about being fancy. It is about being repeatable. A simple system you can run every single time will always beat a perfect process you only manage to do once and then abandon. Step 3 is understanding the algorithm without the mystery. When you upload, the platform quietly shows your video to a small test group. If they watch and react well, it shows it to a much larger one. So really, only two things move the needle: your click rate, which is driven by your title and thumbnail, and your retention, which is driven by your hook and your pacing. Win those two, and growth takes care of itself. Now use both video types on purpose. Short videos are your discovery engine. They bring brand new people to you fast. Long videos build trust and deeper income. The smart move is simple. Do both. Consistently. Never underestimate your thumbnail. It is the single biggest lever you have for clicks. Keep it bold, clean, and built around one clear idea. If a viewer has to squint to understand it, you have already lost them. And here is the hard truth about consistency. A new channel usually needs around 20 to 30 videos before the algorithm truly understands who to show it to. Consistency beats intensity every single time. One more quiet growth hack. Reply to your early comments fast, ideally within the first hour. It tells the platform that real people care about your video, and it often earns you a little extra push in reach. So whatever you do not judge your channel by day one. Every huge creator you admire had a quiet, almost invisible beginning. The ones who win are simply the ones who refuse to quit too early. Keep shipping. Step 4 is the part everyone wants: turning those views into actual money. Because here is the truth that catches people out. Views alone are not income. The bridge between them is a simple, repeatable system. It starts with a free offer, often called a lead magnet. You give away something genuinely useful, like a short guide, in exchange for a click or an email. This is how a casual viewer becomes a real fan. Then comes the paid product: a template, a guide, a planner, or a toolkit. You build it once with the help of AI, and then you can sell it again and again, quietly, around the clock, while you sleep. Picture the path clearly. Your video leads to your free guide. Your free guide leads to your paid product. Every single video you post quietly feeds that same funnel, building your income in the background. And this is exactly why digital products are perfect for beginners. No inventory, no shipping, almost no cost, and unlimited copies. You create the thing one time and it can pay you for years to come. Best of all, you do not need millions of views to win. A small, trusting audience that actually buys from you will beat a giant audience that never does. Depth and trust always beat raw, empty numbers. So let us turn all of this into a clear 30-day plan. Week 1 is your foundation. Pick your niche, set up your channel name, your banner, your about page, and get one simple free guide ready to give away. Week 2, you create. Make your first 3 short videos using the 4-step system: script, voice, visuals, captions. Do not aim for perfect. Aim for finished and posted. Done will always beat perfect. Week 3, you go bigger. Post your first long video and keep your shorts flowing alongside it. Make sure your free guide link sits in every description and every pinned comment, quietly doing its job. Week 4, you sharpen. Look at which videos got the most views and simply make more like them. Then set up your first paid product, so your growing audience finally has something to buy from you. And honestly, that is the whole game. Post, learn, and repeat. Momentum is built in small, quiet, repeated steps, never in one perfect leap. The channel that keeps showing up is the one that eventually wins. So here is your final push. You do not need permission, and you do not need a perfect plan. You need to start. Pick your niche today and create one small, imperfect thing this week. Your future self will thank you. If this gave you a clear path, subscribe and join the Content Architect, and grab the free AI Income Starter Guide linked in the description. Then, go make your first video. Start today. Your future self is counting on it.